Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia and I just want to share this with you. This is first snow and today is November 30th. Like, weather cannot wait for one more day to be officially winter and start snowing. So this is beginning of the winter, and in this video I want to talk to you about importance of rental insurance. As always, something happened, and that's how I'm doing my videos. Is whenever something going on, I'm just sharing with you my experience. So let me tell you what's happened. We have a condo, and in this condominium, it's on the first floor, and tenant texted me in the middle of the night that water is coming out of the ceiling, and it was coming out of all lamps, all these things. Like it was scary. And we have a homeowner association, so that's who I called, but it was after Thanksgiving, and nobody picked up the phone. It's 3 hours difference between Cincinnati and Los Angeles, because this condo is in Los Angeles. So to make it short, they finally were able to reach homeowner association. They send a plumber, and what they are saying that it's not their fault. I need to contact owners from upstairs, and try to deal with them. I have no other choice but hire a lawyer, who's gonna take care of all this, and we're gonna try to get money from our insurance company for the repairs and everything else. But what I was talking about is importance of rental insurance. In each contract, I always put that tenant is required to purchase a rental insurance. And what is rental insurance? This is insurance that cover you as a renter, and it's gonna cover all your belongings, that God forbid something happened, something like this. To be honest, it's happened first time in 10 years. And I'm managing more than 30 units, as I told you, and this is the first time in 10 years. But things happen. And for this guy, he is a young guy, that was his first rentals, and he did not purchase rental insurance. So right now, we are in the middle of coronavirus, to rent an apartment right now, it's almost impossible. But if he would have rental insurance, this insurance would pay for his hotel, or pay for the unit where he moved, and he can rent anything, and they're gonna cover all this. It's also this flood that happened, it was from sewer water. So his sofa, his bed, his mattress, a couple chairs, it's all covered in sewer water, and he cannot use it anymore. So it's all just gonna go to trash. And again, rental insurance policy would cover all this. And let me tell you that this is not that expensive. If you own a car, your rental policy gonna cost you, I would say, $10 to $15 per month. But it's a must. Don't skip this step, and just do it. Even if you have a car, you just call your insurance company with who you have insurance for your car, and because you have two insurances right now through the companies, are giving you discount, and most likely you are not going to pay more than you're paying right now just for your car policy, but you're going to have this rental insurance that's going to cover you in emergency like this. This is extremely important. Another point that I want to bring to you is that, if it's in your contract and you do not purchase this policy, you're in violation of your contract. You can be evicted for this reason. I don't know landlords, who would do this, but it's just a tip for you, so it's possible. So I believe it's a good tip. If you don't have a rental insurance, go and buy it, and I'm even thinking right now, that it's maybe a good idea for a landlord to purchase rental insurance for their tenants as bonus. I don't know. maybe some landlord's gonna go for it. Because right now I really feel bad for Pedro, you know, he is out on the streets. He's in Los Angeles, and I accept him even though, you know, his credit is not perfect, but right now it's gonna be extremely difficult to find a unit. Okay guys, I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a comment. As always, love you and thank you for your support.